just in Tesco Hindley, hunting down Hot Wheels, and I come across this box here which has got some new LK stuff inside it, guys. I've been through all of it. It is £2.40 per casting, but you can get a buy one get one half price deal, which does make it a more reasonable £1.80 per casting. Not bad at all. So like I said, I've been through this whole case. Let me show you what I found, guys. I got the flipping fast, which can be used just like a fidget spinner. It does flip both ways round and can drive on both sides as well. It's from the Celebrations Racers set for 2024. Very nice to see the second variant. I also found the 2020 Koenigsegg Jesco, which is an absolutely beautiful casting in this deep metallic purple. Really cool. You can see the exhaust there on the back. If you zoom in, it does say Koenigsegg as well on there. I do have it already, but I'll probably take this to let it loose. And last but definitely not least is this absolutely beautiful Shelby Cobra 427 SC. There's something really unique about this casting, guys. It is the first one from the Rolling Metal set, and that full set is ZAMAC, which means that it's just a metal body of the diecast car with no paint on it. Absolutely beautiful. Still got the decals on there. You can see it says 427 on the top, and it's got the big blue stripe. You've also got like a dark blue interior, and it does say Cobra on the side there, guys. Really nice casting. So thank you very much to the Entertainer for partnering with Tesco's. Absolutely awesome. So happy to find these. If you do like the videos, please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one, guys.